The caulk where my porcelain tile meets my bathtub has started to shrink and crack, and as someone who installed tile for about 8 years, will not use colored caulks you find at your local home improvement store. As they dry out, they will tend to pull away, and they become brittle and crack oftentimes within the first couple months after install. Which is why I like to use this silicone translucent caulk. It's a great option for just about anywhere in the kitchen and bathroom where you don't want water seeping in behind surfaces. And you might have to get this caulk at your local tile supplier because your big box home improvement stores do not carry any translucent caulk, but only clear. And I highly recommend not using a clear caulk. If you aren't able to find it locally, I'll add a link in this video to the materials I used here. Make sure to cut out the existing caulk, getting every last bit of it, including the residue left behind on the tub. Using a metal scraper gently works great for me. And since we are using a silicone-based caulk, make sure to mask off either side of where you are applying it. If it smears onto your surfaces, it's very hard to remove and it's very unsightly. When applying the caulk, you want to make sure it goes deep. Not only will it achieve a better bond, but will also have a better translucent appearance. And no fancy squeegee tools needed, just use your finger and glide over your caulk seam with an even gentle pressure. And there you have it, remove your masking tape, and what you have left behind is a much more beautiful and more effective seam that won't let any water through. And this stuff lasts for ages. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more DIY projects and quick fixes around the house. And below I will add a link to all the materials I used, including the cool caulk gun that's really small. I really love this thing.